Oh, I don't want.
Hi guys, morning. Good morning. With Juliana. Juliana, say hello.
Hello.
Okay. Oh, okay. So, good morning guys. Walking session kami ngayon ng anak ko na si Juliana. How old are you, Juliana?
9.
9 years old. Okay, where are you, anak, studying?
Lasal.
Lasal. What grade?
Grade 4.
Oh, grade 4 na po si Juliana. So po, walking session kami. Okay, may dog, no? May dog na iwan ko kung saan sa pupunta, no? Okay, every Sunday or Saturday, pat hindi kami busy, nag-walking kami, no? Okay. So, what is your favorite subject?
Science.
Science daw. Gandang. How about math?
No.
You don't like math?
I don't like it.
Why?
My teacher keeps speaking so fast.
But you know math, how to solve.
Kind of.
What is your subject that you don't like?
Math.
Math? I thought English.
English is a bit.
Filipino.
I hate that a lot.
Why?
Oh my god. How the hell am I supposed to learn the lesson when I don't understand?
Do not stop.
Why?
We are getting some content here. Ito po sa subdivision. What is your talking with my anak na si Juliana? What is your favorite food?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, so this is ito po ang mga simple na actually si Jacob natutulog pa, anak ko na lalaki, no? So this is our simple way of bonding, no, sa anak ko. Maliban sa paglabas-labas namin, kumain ng family, ito po, walking. At least we can exercise. Oh, Juliana, you walk there.
No.
Why?
I don't want to.
Oh, nahiya daw siya. May YouTube channel din siya, pero hindi yan upload mga video niya. Oh, taas ni Juliana. Ang ganda ng anak ko. Oh. So, wag mo i-pause. Okay. So, ito po, wala masyadong tao kasi umaga pa. No? And then, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Mainit, no? And then, maganda talaga mag-walk kasi na-exercise ang katawan natin, no? I'm not a doctor, pero I believe, no? Kung gumagalaw tayo, din ang dugo, no? Hindi tayo parang napapagod or nangihina, no, in Tagalog. Okay, may abandoned house dito, no? Okay, so sana guys nagustuhan nyo ang video namin, no, yung paglalakad with my daughter Juliana. Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-share and Juliana mag-subscribe. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Okay, thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Please subscribe guys.